What if I told you that the reason you wake up tired, unmotivated, and frustrated every single day has nothing to do with laziness, weakness, or a lack of talent, but everything to do with the lies you were taught about motivation? You were told to wait for the right mood, wait for inspiration, wait for the perfect time. And while you were waiting, life kept moving. Opportunities passed, dreams faded, confidence disappeared. Today, listen carefully because this is not just a speech. This is a wake-up call. If you truly understand what I'm about to say, you will never again ask, how do I stay motivated? Every single person you admire, every successful individual you look up to, every winner you wish you could become feels unmotivated more often than you think. They get tired. They doubt themselves. They feel like quitting. The difference is simple but brutal. They don't stop. You see, motivation is not something you have. It's something you build. And most people destroy it every day without even realizing it. You wake up and the first thing you do is grab your phone. You scroll through other people's lives, other people's success, other people's highlight reels. And before your day even begins, you already feel behind. You already feel small. You already feel tired, not physically but mentally. Then you tell yourself, I don't feel motivated today. No. The truth is, you trained your mind to quit before you even started. Motivation doesn't disappear overnight. It dies slowly. It dies every time you choose comfort over growth. Every time you delay what you know you should do. Every time you break a promise to yourself. And that's the part nobody talks about. The fastest way to lose motivation is to stop trusting yourself. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, and you don't, your brain remembers. Every time you say, I'll wake up early, and you don't, your brain remembers. Every time you say, I'll work harder, and you don't, your brain remembers. Eventually, your own mind stops believing you. So how do you stay motivated every day? You stop lying to yourself. You start doing what you said you would do, especially when you don't feel like it. Here's the truth most people are not ready to hear. You will never feel motivated first. Action always comes before motivation. Always. You don't feel motivated and then go to the gym. You go to the gym and motivation follows. You don't feel confident and then take action. You take action and confidence follows. Waiting to feel ready is the reason you are stuck. Start before you're ready. Move while you're scared. Work even when you're tired. That's how motivation is built. People think motivation is loud. They think it feels like excitement, energy, hype. But real motivation is quiet. It's discipline. It's consistency. It's doing the boring work when nobody is watching. If you rely on motivation, you will quit. If you rely on discipline, you will win. Look at your life right now. Be honest, not with me, with yourself. How many things did you start with excitement, but quit when it got hard? How many goals did you abandon because progress was slow? How many dreams did you call unrealistic just to make quitting feel acceptable? That's not because you can't do it. It's because you expected motivation to carry you. Motivation is a spark. Discipline is the fire. And discipline is built one painful choice at a time. You don't wake up disciplined, you earn it. You earn it when you wake up early even though your bed is warm. You earn it when you work while others relax. You earn it when you say no to distractions. Every small win builds belief. Every kept promise builds confidence, and confidence fuels motivation. Another hard truth, your environment is killing your motivation. The people you listen to, the content you consume, the conversations you entertain. If you surround yourself with negativity, excuses, and comfort, you will never stay motivated. You cannot expect a strong mind in a weak environment. Change what you listen to. Change what you watch. Change who you take advice from. Stop listening to people who gave up on their dreams and call it realism. Protect your mind. Your mind is a battlefield. And every day, you are either training it or poisoning it. Motivation grows when you give your mind reasons to believe. One completed task, one focused hour, one productive day. Not massive wins, small, consistent proof. You don't need to change your whole life today. You just need to win today. Win the morning, win the hour, win the task in front of you. Momentum is more powerful than motivation. Once you start moving, stopping becomes harder. But there will be days, many days, when everything feels heavy, when progress feels invisible, when quitting feels logical. Those days are not a sign to stop. Those days are the test, because growth happens when motivation is gone. Anyone can work when they feel inspired. Few can work when they feel empty. And those few win. Stop chasing motivation. Chase discipline. Stop asking, how do I feel? Start asking, what needs to be done? Your future is watching. The person you want to become is watching. And every day you either move closer or you make excuses. Motivation is not something you wait for. It's something you earn. Every single day,